Hello guys! Today's video I wanna share what I ate in Vietnam. I went to Vietnam night market for tour. I ate a different kind of the street food in here. Okay, let's try. Check it out.
Kumusta? Xin chào. I'm in Vietnam, in Da Nang. So I wanna try street food in here. Hello. I can see so many people in here. I think here is hot place. Xin chào. So I wanna try some food in here, like that. I searched a lot, so I heard that there are night market. Let's go. You know, I bought this one, like 20만 동. 20만 동 is 만 원. 만 원 is $9 and 300 peso, like that. So I think this is really good. Really good. So I love it. I love this dress, right? Like that.
On my way, there are Han market in Da Nang, so I decided to look around there first.
Let's go Han market first.
Han market in Da Nang is most crowded place for tourists. I think this place is really affordable and friendly.
Wow, here, like that. So, but I don't want to eat here because, you know, I'm just wanting to look around because I will go night market, right?
I can see so many fruits and snacks.
Hello, xin chào, xin chào, xin chào, hello.
Hello Việt Nam.
Hello, you're beautiful.
The one thing I surprised is that vendor can speak Korean. Also, there are fashion clothes on the second floor.
So many people in here, like that.
Satang susu.
Oh, hello, xin chào. Okay, let's go night market. Okay, bye bye.
Night market is a little bit far, so I decided to load the transportations.
I wanna go night market, so I wanna take a taxi. But I don't know. Hello.
Finally, I found Grab driver.
Oh, night market. Do you know night market in there?
The driver knows this place, so I decided to load the motorcycle.
Okay, let's go. Hello, xin chào, xin chào. Xin chào.
Finally, I arrived night market in Da Nang.
Hello, I'm in night market in Vietnam. In here, like that. Oh, I just arrived here, so I don't know how much food have in here.
All of a sudden, one pair of shoes was torn.
Oh my god.
So at the time, I can
Xin
walk.
chào. You know, I have to buy my shoes. It's not working. Do you know what I mean?
Zipper.
Oh, I have to buy one because my.
Okay.
Oh my god.
In night market, finally I found shoe shop, so I decided to buy just the
I
one.
don't know. Hello. Xin chào.
Mua here.
Ah. Okay. Let's try this.
Okay, picture you. It's super non-slip.
I think this is comfortable. 10만 동?
Yes, but which size for you?
It's good.
Okay,
Bye bye. Xin chào, xin chào. Wow, here have so many people like that.
Barbecue. Bruno Basito.
Really?
Chicken beef pork on the bus.
Okay. Xin chào, xin chào. Hello, what is this?
What is this?
Oh, what is this one?
durian.
This is famous in here.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, okay, okay. This one.
One. Okay.
Oh, small, small one. Xin chào, xin chào.
Xin chào.
I ate jet Thai. This is famous in Vietnam.
Come on. This one, right? Mine. Thank you. Hello. There have so many jelly in here. I think this is Vietnam bingsu. I don't know. This is looks like milk and coconut like that. Mmm. Good. What is that? What is name? Name. 이름.
Jelly.
Jelly. Durian sweet. Okay. What is this? What is this? Durian? Durian?
Here.
Here? Ah. Okay. Refreshing. Hello. I don't know what is that. This is green jelly.
I think this is famous dessert in there.
I love this one because it's really cool. I don't know what. Inside there are so many ingredients in here, but I don't know what is that. I love it. Let's try other food in here. Okay, let's go. I don't know what should I eat in here like that. Xin chào. What is this? Oh. Wow.
Rồi đi vô đi ngồi em ơi, em ơi.
It looks like really delicious, so I decided to try that.
Thank you.
Need more
Okay, let's try this one. Wow. Oh. Okay. Where?
Sit down.
Oh.
Also, I got the spring roll in there.
I will get this one also. Okay, let's try some food in here. I put this one. I don't know what is that. Inside there are egg. Wow, it's really good. This is the best I had in here, like that. Inside there are egg, and then outside is fried. It's really good. Also, I wanna get this one. This is rice roll like that. Hello, it's good. Okay, let's try this one. Inside there are vegetable and shrimp like that. Oh my god, it's really good. But a little bit spicy for me because this is a little bit spicy. Wow, it's really good. I love it. Okay, let's try other things. Bye bye. Okay, let's try other food. You know, now I'm really thirsty, so I wanna try drinks. Hello. Xin chào.
Avocado smoothie and mango smoothie is so good.
Mango smoothie and avocado smoothie is really good, right? So I wanna try avocado smoothie in here. Okay? Xin chào. Tamon. Hi, I got avocado. Hello. Xin chào. Okay, let's try this one. It's yummy. It's really yummy.
This is really my style.
It's really sweet. You know, I love this one so much. Okay, let's go on here. Hello, xin chào. Xin chào. Oh, let's go outside. Hello, thank you. Damon.
Thank you. Smita.
You know, she helped me. I wanna get the motorcycle like that. Can you see? See. Woohoo! I will go Kong Spa.
Yeah.
Where? Where can I get? 75. Where is it? 잠깐만. I love you. I love you. 사랑해. 사랑해. Oh my god, motorcycle is coming.
잠깐만.
Coming, right? I'm just have to wait in here.
YouTuber.
YouTuber, right? Here. Hello. Xin chào. Hello. Oh my god. I booked Grab. Let's go.
Did you guys enjoy this video? I hope you did. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.